Australia, one of the most desired countries in the world for jobs, lifestyle, and high income. Every year, thousands of people try to move to Australia for work, but only a small percentage actually succeed. Why? Because most people don't understand the system. They follow random advice, depend on agents, and miss the real strategy. So the real question is, how can you actually get a work visa for Australia in 2026? Today, we are going to break down the complete Australia work visa system, including visa types, jobs, salary, requirements, and the smartest pathways that actually work. Because if you understand this properly, Australia can completely change your life. First, you need to understand one thing clearly. Australia does not have a simple one visa system. There are multiple visa pathways, and each one depends on your skills, qualifications, and experience. The most popular pathway is skilled migration. This includes visas like subclass 189, 190, and 491. These are points-based visas. You are ranked based on age, education, work experience, English level, IELTS or PTE. Higher points means higher chances of selection. Now here's the powerful part. Some of these visas can lead directly to permanent residency. That's why Australia is one of the best countries for long-term settlement. Now let's talk about direct work visa. One of the main options is employer-sponsored visa. This means an Australian company hires you and sponsors your visa. This pathway is very strong, but getting a job offer from outside Australia is not easy. Now comes the most important part, jobs in demand. Australia has a strong demand for skilled workers. Top in-demand jobs include electricians, plumbers, construction workers, nurses, care workers, IT professionals, engineers. If your job is on the skilled occupation list, your chances increase significantly. Now let's talk about salary. Australia is known for high wages. Average monthly salary, $3,000 to $6,000 plus. In some skilled jobs, it can go even higher. But here's the reality. Cost of living is also high. Rent, food, and transport can take a big part of your income. So your savings depend on your job and lifestyle. Now comes processing time. Work visa processing can take 3 to 8 months depending on visa type. Skilled PR visas may take 6 months to over a year. Now let's talk about the student pathway. This is one of the most common strategies. Many people go to Australia as students. After completing studies, they get a temporary graduate visa. Then they gain work experience and apply for PR. This is a long-term but reliable path. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They apply without checking their eligibility, or they rely completely on agents. This leads to rejection, delays, and financial loss. Now let's talk about the real strategy. If you want to move to Australia, you have 3 main options: skilled migration, points system, employer-sponsored visa, and student pathway. Each path is different. Your success depends on choosing the right one based on your profile. Now here's the truth most people don't understand. Australia is not easy, but it is highly rewarding. If you qualify and follow the right process, you can get high income, strong career growth, permanent residency, and high quality of life. But if you go without planning, it becomes very difficult. So the final decision depends on you, your skills, your English level, your budget, your long-term goal. Australia is not just a country, it is an opportunity system. And if you understand that system, you can build a powerful future. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.